Good morning, rare fruit lovers. This is Paul, and look at this. I have 27 grams of Citrus australastica, Australian finger lime. Now, there are different cultivars, and some taste better than others, but this is that one that they call the famous Caviar lime. So what you can do is cut it in half, or you can also score it like that. Before I do that, right off the bat, you get a really nice scent. It kind of reminds me of a yuzu lemon in a sense that it's very rare, and that the rind actually has a very, very lovely scent. Now, once you score it, you can break it in half like that. And you can see why this thing is so unique. It's actually a subtropical shrub native to Queensland and South Wales in Australia. And this edible fruit is definitely a very gourmet and unique looking fruit. Now, these things inside it are globular juice vesicles. I call them pearls. And this is the lime caviar, so watch this. So you give it a squeeze and it's gonna burst. Just like that. And this is used in a lot of gourmet food. And the texture is very, very unique. That's the best thing about it. It does pop like caviar, although I've never eaten caviar. It's not my thing. But from what they say, it's very similar. And as I eat it, it just reminds me of a really tangy, beautiful lime on the mild side. Now, eating it straight is not very enjoyable, although it's not bad. It's not intense. You know, if I was starving, I could survive off these for quite a while. But what this really belongs in is like a salad, in my opinion. So if I were to do it, I would put these in a salad, and that would just taste lovely, or something similar to that. It definitely has a lot of future uses, I think, in the gourmet cooking culinary market. Because you can see it's just so unique and enjoyable. I mean, there's nothing like it. Now, I got this one from Wallace Ranch out in San Diego, and they had a few plants, and they said some tasted good and some were not so good, and this one tasted really good. You can grow them from seed, and they'll be slightly different. They don't grow true. So there is a seed in here. Can you see it? So maybe I'll try to propagate that and see what happens. I think that'd be fun. So I would definitely recommend trying this fruit, especially if you like lime. I could see so many uses in cooking, and it's just something really healthy, enjoyable, light, zesty, and extremely aromatic. So there you go. This is the caviar lime, also known as the finger lime or Australian finger lime. It's a lovely, delicious, rare fruit, and I'm excited to see this kind of expand in the market over time. I'd like to see more of it, and I'd love to have something fancy in a restaurant with this as a garnish or some type of additive. All right, there you go. Give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks so much for your time. Have a wonderful day. Take care.